To cut a 720 pendulum circle, you need to create two 360-degree circles. We're going to attach it to a blouse, so all you need is a yard and fold them into 8 equal parts. We're not going to create gathers or any form of pleats. So to calculate for the waist, first, divide your waist measurement into 4 equal parts. Example, waist 36 divided by 4 is going to give me 9. Then I will add my zipper allowance, which is 1.5 inch to the 9 inches I had, and redivide it into 4 equal parts again. This new measurement is what I'm going to use in creating the circle at the waist. Now, for the remaining part of the circle, supposing I'm using blouse length 24 and shoulder to waist 16, all I'm going to do is deduct my shoulder to waist from the blouse length. So, to make it easier for you, just place your 16 inches at the cutting point of your waist and extend it to the full blouse length, which is 24 inches. But please don't forget to add extra inches, since we will be making a 1/2 inch stitch at the waist and a 1/2 inch stitch at the bottom. So what you get is going to be the measurement for the remaining part of the circle. Remember, we made 8 folds, so we're going to get 2 full circles in one. And please don't forget, any time after cutting, to mark the negative or the wrong side of the fabric, so you don't confuse yourself when stitching. Next, cut one side of the circles and rejoin them together with a 1/2 inch stitch. For the lining, you don't need to go all over the measurement again. All you need to do is just place your 2 circles on top of your lining and trace. Then after, spread a medium stiff on top of the 2 linings and press. You can decide to double the stiff or make it single, depending on how you want your pendulum to stand. And please don't forget to press, not ironing. Also divide the sides and join them together to create your pendulum.